In Dijibiz, to apply creative effects to images, we first need to add an image to the design area. Then we hold the image we opened, and a settings bar for the image appears at the top. From here, you can add a frame to the image. You can apply various line effects and set the line thickness. From this section, you can adjust the opacity settings of the image. From here, you can adjust the image to align left, right, top, bottom, or center on the page. From this section, you can mirror the image vertically or horizontally. From here, you can rotate the image in any direction. You can also perform this action from this section. From this section, you can duplicate the image by copying it. And by clicking the trash can icon here, you can delete the image. When you double-click the image or click the effects icon here, you will reach the Styles section on the left. From the Styles menu, you can apply various effects to the image. For example, from here, you can add a border around the image and change its color. You can remove the effect from here. You can also apply a shadow. You can apply various filters. You can remove each effect using the button below. From here, you can apply more detailed effects to the image. For example, you can change its opacity and adjust the lighting settings. You can make a wide range of adjustments, such as contrast, from here. You can apply a duotone effect to the image and customize the colors of the tones as you wish. You can also remove the applied effect using the button below. As you can see, applying creative effects to images is quite easy.